Have you ever dreamed of a car so exclusive, so luxurious, that it seems almost mythical? What if I told you that Mercedes-Benz is about to turn that dream into reality? Buckle up, because the new Mythos series is on the horizon, and it promises to redefine the very essence of luxury and power. Picture this, it's 2025, and you're standing in awe as Mercedes-Benz unveils their latest masterpiece. The Mythos series is set to hit the road, positioned above the already prestigious Maybach lineup. This new ultra-luxurious sub-brand is not just about refinement. It's about creating a new pinnacle of exclusivity, with each vehicle crafted in extremely limited numbers. The whispers of the Mythos series began in 2022, creating a buzz among car enthusiasts and collectors. But it wasn't until the 2023 financial results announcement that Mercedes-Benz officially confirmed its launch. This revelation has only heightened the anticipation for what's to come, particularly for the debut model, the Mercedes-Maybach SL Speedster. Imagine a vehicle that isn't merely an upgrade, but a bold statement of superior design and luxury. The Maybach SL Speedster, as part of the Mythos series, is set to be just that. Teased by Mercedes-Benz's chief designer, Gordon Wagener, this Speedster will feature a striking two-tone paint job and an exclusive design that's bound to turn heads. The bonnet will be adorned with the Mythos badge, intricately etched multiple times into the black paint, creating a sophisticated and unique look. But this car isn't just about aesthetics. The Speedster will embrace a classic design by losing its rear seats and incorporating a shortened windscreen with dramatic speed bumps behind the seats. This transformation will not only enhance its appearance, but also its performance. Under the hood, rumors suggest the Mercedes-Maybach SL will boast power exceeding the 600 horsepower already achieved by the SLS performance model. This makes it a formidable competitor against luxury sports car giants like Ferrari and Lamborghini. However, the Mythos series isn't just about speed and power. It's about crafting collectible cars that embody the highest levels of exclusivity and craftsmanship. As excitement builds, questions loom large. Will every model in the Mythos series be based on existing Mercedes-Benz designs, or will we witness entirely bespoke creations? While the details remain shrouded in mystery, one thing is clear. The Mythos series is set to set a new standard in luxury, making it a dream come true for car enthusiasts and collectors around the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.